Somewhere in the space between a developer typing an instruction and that instruction becoming a finished result, there is a gap, a chasm really. For decades, software has been brilliant at doing exactly what it is told in the moment it is told. But the moment you ask it to carry a task across time, across steps, across decision branches that require judgment and follow-through, the machinery breaks down. Instructions sit inert. Prompts go unanswered. Work stalls. Hermes Agent Engine exists to close that gap entirely. It takes what an AI model says it should do and transforms that declaration into real, autonomous, sustained execution, not a suggestion, not a plan written to a markdown file and left for a human to interpret. Actual movement, actual progress, actual completion. Hermes is the difference between an AI that talks about doing something and an AI that does it, runs it, finishes it, and reports back with results. Section 1. What Hermes is. Hermes is best understood as an execution layer, a purpose-built runtime that sits beneath artificial intelligence models and translates their intent into operational reality. When a large language model generates a plan, identifies next steps, or decomposes a complex goal into smaller units of work, Hermes is the engine that picks up those units and drives them to completion. It functions as the connective tissue between reasoning and action, and it does so with a level of structural discipline that most AI-native tooling has historically lacked. At its architectural core, Hermes operates as a task manager, a workflow engine, and an automation backbone simultaneously. As a task manager, it maintains an ordered, prioritized queue of work items, each with clear definitions of done, dependency relationships, and status tracking. As a workflow engine, it orchestrates sequences of actions that may span multiple tools, multiple file systems, multiple API calls, and multiple decision points, all governed by configurable logic. As an automation backbone, it provides the persistent runtime that keeps work moving forward even when no human is actively supervising each microstep. What makes Hermes distinct from a simple scripting framework or a basic cron scheduler is the degree to which it is model-aware. It understands that the entity generating tasks is an AI agent, and it is built to handle the specific patterns of agent-driven work, the iterative refinement, the need to evaluate intermediate results, the branching logic that emerges when an agent encounters an unexpected state and must decide how to proceed. Hermes does not merely execute commands in sequence. It manages the lifecycle of agent-driven work from inception through completion, including error handling, retry logic, and graceful degradation when conditions change. Section 2. Why Hermes matters. The AI ecosystem has no shortage of models that can reason, plan, and generate. What it has lacked, consistently and critically, is a reliable mechanism for turning that generation into sustained, structured execution. Every developer who has watched a promising AI session collapse into a loop of repeated mistakes, abandoned partial outputs, or half-finished workflows understands this pain intimately. Hermes matters because it addresses the single most common failure mode in agent-driven development, the failure to follow through. Reliability is the first pillar. Hermes introduces deterministic checkpoints into what would otherwise be a probabilistic process. When an agent assigns a task, Hermes tracks that task through every state transition, ensuring that no unit of work is silently dropped, no dependency is skipped, and no completion is assumed without verification. This transforms agent-driven automation from a fragile, hope-based exercise into something that can be trusted in production contexts, in team environments, and in workflows where the cost of silent failure is measured in hours of wasted effort. Repeatability is the second pillar. A workflow that works once but cannot be reliably reproduced is a demo, not a tool. Hermes enables operators to define task chains and automation loops that produce consistent outcomes across runs, across variations in input, and across the inherent stochasticity of language model outputs. By providing structured execution scaffolding, it insulates downstream processes from the variance that is native to AI-generated plans, making it possible to build systems on top of agent output with genuine confidence. The third pillar is multi-step task coherence. Complex work rarely fits into a single prompt response cycle. deploying a feature, refactoring a codebase, running a multi-stage research pipeline, coordinating across several services. These tasks demand sustained attention, intermediate evaluation, and adaptive decision-making across dozens or even hundreds of discrete steps. Hermes is purpose-built to hold that entire arc of work together, maintaining context, tracking progress, and ensuring that the agent's vision for a completed task survives the long journey from first instruction to final output. Section 3. Operator Workflows. In practice, Hermes reveals its value most clearly at the level of operator workflows, the repeatable patterns that developers and technical operators use to get real work done through their AI tooling. The most fundamental of these patterns is the task chain, a sequence of discrete actions linked by explicit dependencies and governed by completion criteria. An operator defines a goal. Hermes and the connected agent decompose that goal into a chain of subtasks, and Hermes drives the chain forward, executing each step in order, validating each output, and advancing only when the prior step meets its defined standard. Agent coordination is where Hermes begins to distinguish itself sharply from simpler automation tools. In many real-world workflows, a single agent is insufficient. One agent may be responsible for code generation, another for testing, a third for documentation, and a fourth for deployment verification. Hermes provides the coordination layer that allows these agents to handwork between each other in an orderly fashion, sharing state, passing outputs as inputs, and maintaining a unified view of overall workflow progress. This is orchestration in the truest sense, not merely parallel execution, but intelligent sequencing across specialized agents. Automation loops extend this further. An operator can define a loop in which an agent performs an action. Hermes evaluates the result against acceptance criteria, and if the result is insufficient, the task is re-queued with additional context for another attempt. This pattern is transformative for tasks like code refinement, where an initial output may be functionally close but not yet correct, and where iterative improvement within a structured loop produces dramatically better results than a single pass. Real examples abound. Automated pull request preparation, where code is generated, tested, linted, and revised in a closed loop. Research workflows where sources are gathered, evaluated for relevance, synthesized, and then gaps are identified and filled through additional targeted queries. Section 4. Hermes in the AI stack. Hermes does not exist in isolation. It is a component within a carefully architected builder stack, and understanding its relationships with adjacent tools clarifies both its role and its power. OpenClaw, the project and knowledge management layer, provides the context in which Hermes operates. When Hermes needs to understand what a project is, what files matter, what conventions govern the codebase, it draws on the intelligence that OpenClaw maintains. OpenClaw is the memory and the map. Hermes is the engine that drives action across the terrain that map describes. Cursor and Claude Code represent the interfaces through which operators engage with the stack. Cursor provides the integrated development environment where developers interact with AI assistants at the point of code creation and editing. Claude Code offers a terminal-native interface for directing agent activity with precision and directness. Both of these tools generate intent, they produce plans, they identify tasks. Hermes is what catches that intent and prevents it from evaporating at the boundary of a single session. It is the persistence and execution substrate that turns a Cursor session or a Claude Code interaction into something that continues to produce results after the human has stepped away. Open Code contributes a complementary dimension, providing the open infrastructure and extensibility that allows the entire stack to adapt to novel use cases and evolving requirements. Together, these components form a coherent system. OpenClaw for context and knowledge, Cursor and Claude Code for interaction and intent generation, Open Code for extensibility, and Hermes for execution. Each layer does what it does best, and the seams between them are where the real architectural leverage lives. Hermes, positioned as the execution backbone, ensures that the intelligence generated at every other layer does not remain theoretical. Section 5. Final take. The history of computing is a history of abstraction layers. each one solving the gap between what humans can express and what machines can reliably execute. Assembly language, abstracted machine code, high-level languages, abstracted assembly, operating systems, abstracted hardware, APIs, abstracted system calls. Each layer unlocked a new category of possibility by closing a gap that had previously demanded manual effort and introduced human error. Hermes Agent Engine belongs to this lineage. It is the abstraction layer that closes the gap between AI reasoning and autonomous execution. What Hermes provides is not a model, not a prompt template, not a clever wrapper around a language model API. It is infrastructure. It is the kind of foundational capability that enables everything above it to function at a higher level of reliability and ambition. When developers can trust that their AI-driven workflows will execute to completion, that intermediate results will be validated, that multi-step processes will hold together across time and complexity, they build differently. They build more. They build things that were previously impractical. Not because the intelligence was lacking, but because the execution layer did not exist to carry that intelligence forward. Hermes is the execution layer of the builder stack. It is the engine that turns plans into progress and progress into finished work. In an ecosystem crowded with tools that generate and suggest, Hermes is the component that acts, and in doing so, it transforms the entire stack. From a collection of powerful but disconnected capabilities into a system that delivers real, autonomous, end-to-end results. That is Hermes. The engine that does not stop at thinking, but drives all the way through to done. But every engine needs its operating system, its project layer, its source of truth. Next up, OpenClaw gets its 15 minutes of fame.